All right, guys, today's a big day because we are going to be installing XPEL windshield protection. You heard that right. I've always wanted this on my cars. Here in Colorado, people go through windshields like it's nothing. And I'm here at NC Auto. These guys are not just my friends, but the local to-go guys for wraps, tint, and everything, and muscles.
That's right.
A couple of things I wanted to figure out is how clear is it going to be? How is it going to look from the outside? And kind of see the process of doing it. Again, this is supposed to protect from rocks, not boulders. UV protection, right? UV protection, I believe.
99%.
99%. And I think the rock and the pebble thing is going to be a big deal because we don't want to be replacing windshields, especially in cars like these. Any car out there, it sucks doing it. But all right, guys, let's go. All right, the guys, Nick on the right and John on the left, they're brothers. And they say this takes very little time, but I'm not trying to encourage them to speed because that's what we don't want. We don't want them to speed. But they see, I can see they're trying to speed. I'll even calm down. All right, so they cleaned the window. I don't know what solvent they use, some proprietary stuff. And now they're squeezing stuff. And yes, oh, that's my job right here. And then, now we did have a problem with my McLaren. We were having a hard time taking off this windshield wiper assembly, and we weren't gonna push anymore. We put WD-40, and it did not come off. So, do I continue holding it?
Yeah, continue holding it.
Okay.
You're there till we're done.
Oh man. All right. All right, guys. So they cut this out. I don't think it was computerized, right? It was just by hand.
Yep.
Okay. And they're laying it down. Kind of reminds me a little bit of tint, because these guys have done tint, windshield tint actually, which I was adverse to, and now I love it.
You're good, whatever.
I just wanna
Get there.
And I have to
I need to be over a little bit more.
give a shout out to a new friend who's holding the windshield wiper so I could film. Thank you.
I'm gonna try and get this flat.
These guys are putting it on, and I was worried that this was going to be a little hazy or like you're going to be able to tell it's on there, but this is mad clear. This is super clear. And again, these guys got these squeezies like those guys in big cities at the stoplights. Yeah, at the gas station trying to squeeze your window. It's like, I'll squeeze your window.
Let's get final.
That's my side hustle.
No.
Stop traffic in the van.
Probably not a bad idea.
I can make $40 on it.
But so they're pressing down and they're squeezing it out, and this stuff is doing their magic. But I mean, I'm just happy that it's clear so far. So these guys busted out their X-Acto switchblade knifos, and they're making fine cuts to work around the gaskets, which I think is really important, without cutting the gaskets. I'm also filming that if they did cut the gaskets, I could hold them responsible. All right, guys, so they got most of the water down, but this is the face of concentration. Nick here, he's done more wraps, and John has done more tints and wraps and PPF. These guys have done so much. And this is why I come here, because the detail, the small things, they'll hone in on it and they will definitely get it done. So guys, I'm super pumped up because I've been in Grand Junction now for about 5 years, and we've had to do at least 4, 5, 6 different things with our windshields because of rocks. So I'm really excited to find out. I'm not looking forward to testing it, but I'm excited that we should have some.
We'll pull it outside. Let's throw it.
No, we should have some, a little bit more of a safety net, I guess. All right, guys, we're back home, and I went for a drive, drove around the city, and I was impressed how clear it is. And I actually, in a weird way, just felt more comfortable driving the car. It's like I felt protected. So let me show you inside here, because I don't think we did. All right, and all right, let's see if we could get the focus. But it's clear, like it is very, very clear. It's almost hard to tell it's even on there. And of course, there's like some slight little tiny bubbles. You won't be able to see them, just like when you put on tint. But they told me it should go away, which I believe them. But it is super clear, guys. Like, I mean, I can't even, I can't even tell it's on there. But I'm super happy